Ever heard of a bank that's not quite a bank? A digital financial platform that's redefining banking? Well, today, we're diving into the world of Moka Bank. Before we dive deep, let's address the elephant in the room. Moka isn't a traditional bank. It's a digital financial platform, a neobank, that's shaking up the financial industry. What is Moka Bank? Moka Bank is a digital banking platform that offers a range of financial services, including savings accounts, earn competitive interest rates on your savings. Current accounts, manage your daily expenses and receive your salary directly. Loans, access personal loans and business loans at competitive rates. Investments, invest in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Insurance, protect yourself and your loved ones with various insurance products. Why choose Moka Bank? Convenience. 24/7 access to your accounts through the Moka app. No need to visit physical branches. Seamless transactions, from transfers to payments. Security. Advanced security measures to protect your funds. Encryption technology to safeguard your personal information. Fraud detection systems to prevent unauthorized access. Affordability. Low fees and competitive interest rates. No hidden charges or penalties. Transparent pricing. Customer support. Dedicated customer support team available 24/7. Easy to use mobile app and website. Helpful resources and tutorials. How to get started with Moka Bank. Download the Moka app, available on both iOS and Android. Sign up, create an account by providing your personal information. Verify your identity, follow the verification process to ensure security. Fund your account, transfer funds from your existing bank account. Start banking, explore the various features and services offered by Moka. The future of banking with Moka. Moka Bank is constantly innovating and expanding its offerings. Some of the exciting features and services to look forward to include AI-powered financial advice, personalized financial advice based on your spending habits and goals. Blockchain technology, secure and transparent transactions. Cryptocurrency integration, buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies. Green finance, support sustainable initiatives and earn rewards. Addressing common concerns. Security, Moka employs advanced security measures to protect your funds and personal information. Customer support, Moka offers 24/7 customer support through various channels. Regulatory compliance, Moka is fully licensed and regulated by the relevant authorities. Moka Bank is more than just a bank, it's a financial partner that empowers you to take control of your finances. By offering a wide range of services, competitive rates, and advanced technology, Moka is redefining the future of banking. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.